No one talks about this, but cracking your own back or neck is a really bad idea. When you pop your spine randomly, it moves more and more over time. People don't just do it once, they do it over and over again. This leads to the spine moving too much and increases pain and degeneration over time. There's a big difference between a chiropractor adjusting your spine to improve alignment and neurological function and cracking your back because it feels good in the moment. Follow for more tips to improve the health and wellness to your spine and body as you age.